Greetings from Exam Heist. We have identified important exam questions. Practice these important questions 2-3 times to get 100% success in exam. Subscribe and comment, share PDF in the below comment section to get PDF of these 40 important questions. If you want to access full dump, please visit www.examheist.com. We have 24/7 support available for your doubts and exam queries. Question 1. Which two components are included in Dynamics 365 marketing? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, Customer Voice Survey. Option B, Customer Service Hub. Option C, Enterprise Asset Management. Option D, Event Management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, Customer Voice Survey. Option D, Event Management. Question 2. A company integrates LinkedIn Campaign Manager with Dynamics 365 marketing. Which two actions can the company perform using out-of-the-box features? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, generate leads from LinkedIn. Option B, create email templates for LinkedIn messages. Option C, schedule and publish social posts. Option D, create and publish events on LinkedIn. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, generate leads from LinkedIn. Option C, schedule and publish social posts. Question 3. A company organizes and runs conferences and other events. The company is considering using Dynamics 365 marketing. The company wants to ensure that they can implement key marketing features without requiring any customizations. Which three capabilities does Dynamics 365 marketing support using out-of-the-box functionality? Each correct answer presents part of the solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, sponsors and sponsorships. Option B, regulatory compliance. Option C, advertisers and print media and campaigns. Option D, session and speaker tracking. Option E, registration and attendance. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, sponsors and sponsorships. Option D, session and speaker tracking. Option E, registration and attendance. Question 4. A company uses Dynamics 365 marketing. The company uses a third-party app to send emails to prospects to better understand their business needs. There is currently no link to prospect records, and users report that the survey management process is manual and is difficult to manage. You need to automate the survey process and streamline collection and analysis of responses. What are two possible ways to achieve this goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, create a survey in Dynamics 365 marketing and create a campaign to send it to out and collect data. Option B, use customer voice to collect and analyze survey results. Option C, use Power Automate to automatically send customer voice surveys. Option D, create surveys in Dynamics 365 marketing by using questionnaire. Option E, use customer voice to compile results from the existing third-party app. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B, use customer voice to collect and analyze survey results. Option C, use Power Automate to automatically send customer voice surveys. Question 5. Which three capabilities are included in Dynamics 365 marketing? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, event management. Option B, Dynamics 365 connector for LinkedIn. Option C, case management. Option D, qualify leads. Option E, project quote management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, event management. Option B, Dynamics 365 connector for LinkedIn. Option D, qualify leads. Question 6. A company uses Dynamics 365 marketing. You must choose a real-time marketing customer journey type to start the journey. Which two journey types you can use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, event-based. Option B, audience-based. Option C, scheduled. Option D, customer onboarding. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, event-based. Option B, audience-based. Question 7. A customer needs a cost-effective sales solution that can display current news about a lead or an account. You recommend Microsoft Relationship Sales. Which two products are included in Microsoft Relationship Sales? Each correct answer presents part of the solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Option B, Dynamics 365 Sales Enterprise. Option C, Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. Option D, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, Dynamics 365 Sales Enterprise. Option D, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Question 8. You are a sales representative for a company. Which Dynamics 365 sales can you use to manage the sales pipeline? Option A, turning leads into opportunities. Option B, tracking the asset history of a customer. Option C, resolving an open case of a customer. Option D, tracking service level agreements. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, turning leads into opportunities. Question 9. Which two Dynamics 365 sales out-of-the-box features can you use to capture leads? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, emails. Option B, CSV files. Option C, Dynamics 365 Commerce. Option D, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, emails. Option B, CSV files. Question 10. A company wants to be able to give quotes to customers from their parts list. You need to recommend a solution for the company. What should you recommend? Option A, Dynamics 356 Customer Insights. Option B, Dynamics 365 Sales. Option C, Dynamics 365 Marketing. Option D, Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, Dynamics 365 Sales. Question 11. A company is working with a potential customer on a multi-year contract. The customer decides to delay their decision to commit to the contract. You want to find other colleagues who have interacted with the potential customer to discuss strategies with the colleagues to close the deal with the customer. Which app should you recommend? Option A, Customer Service Insights. Option B, Market Insights. Option C, Power Virtual Agents. Option D, Sales Insights. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Sales Insights. Question 12. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You need to create a forecast in Dynamics 365 sales so that the sales director will be able to predict the upcoming sales revenue. Which standard record type is used to create the forecast? Option A, account. Option B, lead. Option C, quote. Option D, opportunity. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, opportunity. Question 13. Your company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You need to prepare and send a quote to a customer. What are two possible ways to achieve the goal? Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, close the quote. Option B, generate a document by using a Microsoft Word template. Option C, export the quote as a PDF file. Option D, create an order. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, generate a document by using a Microsoft Word template. Option C, export the quote as a PDF file. Question 14. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The company plans to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to increase sales productivity and assist salespersons in their daily duties. You need to identify potential decision makers for a sale. Which LinkedIn Sales Navigator feature should you use? Option A, Top Card. Option B, Auto Capture. Option C, Related Leads. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, related leads. Question 15. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You disqualify a lead. On a later date, the lead shows interest in buying a product that the company sells. You need to convert the lead to an opportunity and retain all available history. Which two actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, convert the copied lead to an opportunity. Option B, qualify the closed lead as an opportunity. Option C, use the reactivate lead functionality to reopen the lead. Option D, qualify the reactivated lead to an opportunity. Option E, create a copy of the lead with data from the original lead. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, use the reactivate lead functionality to reopen the lead. Option D, qualify the reactivated lead to an opportunity. Question 16. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales with out-of-the-box forms. Users must view logged phone calls and meetings for contacts. Which feature includes phone calls and meetings? Option A, controls. Option B, attachments. Option C, contact information. Option D, timeline. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, timeline. Question 17. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The company must use export to Excel to edit multiple records. Microsoft database must update automatically. You need to select the option. Option A, dynamic worksheet. Option B, static worksheet. Option C, dynamic pivot table. Option D, open in Excel online. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, open in Excel online. Question 18. You attend a trade show. A fellow attendee suggests that you implement Dynamics 365 connected customer service. What is a valid use case for Dynamics 365 connected customer service? Option A, analyze customer sentiment from multiple sources. Option B, respond to and resolve customer issues by using social media. Option C, Use mixed reality applications to assist technicians performing work in the field. Option D. Use IoT devices and AI to predict when a customer's equipment will need service. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Use IoT devices and AI to predict when a customer's equipment will need service. Question 19. You manage a call center for a company that uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The call center's customer service manager wants to renew all expired entitlements. To increase the duration of entitlements from 6 months to 1 year, you need to help the customer service manager make the changes. Which status indicates that an entitlement must be renewed? Option A, draft. Option B, waiting. Option C, active. Option D, cancelled. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, cancelled. Question 20. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 customer service. The company wants to use the system to determine when customers are having an issue and need help. You need to track customer issues until the issues are resolved. What should you create? Option A, opportunity. Option B, contact. Option C, case. Option D, quote. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, case. Question 21. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The customer service department for a retailer hires temporary employees to work during peak seasons. Temporary employees take much longer to resolve cases than seasoned employees. You need to recommend features that will help employees find information needed to resolve cases. Which two options should you recommend? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, knowledge base with relevant search. Option B, parent and child case settings. Option C, case management with related similar cases. Option D, routing rule sets. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, knowledge base with relevant search. Option C, case management with related similar cases. Question 22. You work as a technician and receive your work assignments by using cases in Dynamics 365 customer service. You need to review the timeline for a case that you are managing. Which type of activity appears in the case timeline? Option A, project task. Option B, task. Option C, entitlement. Option D, work order. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, task. Question 23. A company implements Dynamics 365 customer service for their support desk agents. Resolve issues based on their own personal experiences, or they must try to recreate the problem. This is causing customer satisfaction issues as resolution time is longer than expected and not consistent. You need to implement a solution to improve consistency of answers and ensure that agents can share their answers. What should you implement? Full stop. Option A, Power Automate to transfer cases. Option B, service level agreements. Option C, knowledge base management. Option D, customer service insights. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, knowledge base management. Question 24. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company plans to use support queues to organize and monitor the progress of cases. Customer support agents will select cases from queues in which they are members. Agents release case items if they are not able to continue working on a case. Which statement describes what happens when a case item is released from the queue? Option A, The case continues to remain in the agent's personal queue until someone else selects the item from the queue. Option B. The case is removed from all queues. Option C. The case is removed from the agent's personal queue and returned to the original support queue. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. The case is removed from the agent's personal queue and returned to the original support queue. Question 25. Customers submit suggestions, questions, and cases to a company by using the following channels: submitting a case in a customer service portal, emailing a support mailbox, calling a telephone number. The company has 2 departments. Each department has a defined list of agents. The company distributes all submissions to the correct department. You need to show the agents how the submissions are stored, which format is used for the submissions. Option A, work orders. Option B, queues. Option C, work items. Option D, activities. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, queues. Question 26. A company is using Dynamics 365 customer service for case management. The company must use entitlements to enforce limitations on customer ticket creation. You need to design the entitlement terms. Which two metrics should you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, number of hours. Option B, hours of service. Option C, number of cases. Option D, initial response time. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, number of hours. Option C, number of cases. Question 27. A company uses Dynamics 365 field service. The maintenance manager wants to be able to add a list of questions to work orders to ensure that field technicians follow the same steps when servicing customer equipment. You need to explain to the manager which features are available to meet the requirement. Which feature should you use? Option A, connected field service. Option B, inspections. Option C, Microsoft Customer Voice. Option D, scheduling. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, inspections. Question 28. You use Dynamics 365 field service each time a customer contacts a call center to request service. You plan to send a technician to the customer's location. You receive a service request and create a work order. You need to identify the next step in the process. What should you do next? Option A, adjust inventory values. Option B, schedule and dispatch the work order. Option C, generate an invoice. Option D, review and close the work order. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, schedule and dispatch the work order. Question 29. A company uses Dynamics 365 field service to create a work order from a case. A field service administrator schedules the work order. A technician arrives at the site of the work order and is ready to begin work on time. What is the status of the work order? Option A, open in progress. Option B, open unscheduled. Option C, traveling. Option D, open scheduled. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, open in progress. Question 30. An air conditioning company uses Dynamics 365 field service when a problem is detected with the customer's air conditioning system. A new case must be opened automatically. You need to recommend a solution for the company. What should you recommend? Option A, field service mobile. Option B, work orders. Option C, connected field service. Option D, Universal resource scheduling. Option E, case management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, connected field service. Question 31. A company has a large number of technicians that work in the field. You need to ensure that Dynamics 365 field service can automatically schedule work to minimize travel time for technicians. What should you implement? Option A, resource scheduling optimization. Option B, unified routing for table records. Option C, schedule board. Option D, universal resource scheduling. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, resource scheduling optimization. Question 32. A company sells and services clothing washing machines and dryers. The company uses Dynamics 365 field service. You need to proactively monitor customers' equipment to identify problems and maintenance needs. Which two connected field service options can you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, Dynamics 365 remote assist integration. Option B, Dynamics 365 mobile app. Option C, Azure IoT Central. Option D, Azure IoT Hub. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, Azure IoT Central. Option D, Azure IoT Hub. Question 33. A company is implementing Dynamics 365 project operations to manage projects for customers. You are training project managers on how to enter statements of work into the new system. You need to ensure that the number of hours and the hourly rate for each item are entered. Where must the project managers enter the required information? Option A, project contracts. Option B, project stages. Option C, project accounting. Option D, resource management. Option E, project tracking. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, project contracts. Question 34. A company sells and services commercial refrigeration equipment. The company is implementing Dynamics 365 project operations. You need to ensure that you can select a service technician for an assignment that has the required expertise to address the equipment issues reported by a customer. Which two features should you use? Each correct answer presents part of the solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, resource skills. Option B, resource roles. Option C, proficiency models. Option D, service level agreements. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, resource roles. Question 35. You work for a job placement agency that uses Dynamics 365 project operations. A client needs an expert plumber to handle an emergency situation at their office. You need to identify an expert plumber for the client. What are two possible ways to achieve this goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, open the Resource Manager dashboard and filter utilization by the term expert plumber. Option B, open the client's project Gantt chart and filter by the term expert plumber. Option C, open the Resource Utilization board and filter by the term expert plumber. Option D, open the Schedule board and filter by the term expert plumber. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, open the Resource Utilization board and filter by the term expert plumber. Option D, open the Schedule board and filter by the term expert plumber. Question 36. You are the resource manager for an electrical contractor that uses Dynamics 365 project operations. You need to track information about electricians' qualifications, professional licenses, and certifications. Which attributes should you use? Option A, skills. Option B, roles. Option C, proficiency model. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, skills. Question 37. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 project operations. Which two billing methods does Dynamics 365 project operations support? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, time and material. Option B, fixed price. Option C, expense. Option D, not to exceed limit. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, time and material. Option B, fixed price. Question 38. A customer creates a new project in Dynamics 365 project operations. The customer needs to add project work items. You need to specify the duration of the work. Where should you specify the duration of the work? Option A, estimates. Option B, summary. Option C, tasks. Option D, resource assignments. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C, tasks. Question 39. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You need to analyze account data and create reports based on the analysis. Which solution should you use? Option A, customer voice. Option B, Power BI. Option C, Power Automate. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B, Power BI. Question 40. You need to update inventory data for a company's warehouse. Which two record types can you use to update the inventory? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, agreement. Option B, warehouse. Option C, inventory adjustment. Option D, written merchandise authorization, RMA. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C, inventory adjustment. Option D, written merchandise authorization, RMA.